YouTube, Instagram, any other social media platform. Here we have a Toyota Camry with a 2.2 liter motor in it, 4-cylinder, and we're replacing the fuel pump. All right, the easy way to do this is enter into the back passenger rear of the car. Take out the back seat. It's just two clips, one here and one over there. Pull the back seat up at the front like so. Pop, pop, same other side. Pull the back seat out. Then you have this little piece of carpet right here that covers that hold up. You just flip the carpet up. Come over with a flat pry tool of some sort. I used a flathead screwdriver. Stuck it up underneath this lid right here, which is your fuel tank door lid. Stuck it up under there. Pull this up. I took my screwdriver and poked this little stopper through the hole, and it's 3 clips that I took loose right here for the wire to give me extra access to the wire to get it out the way. Next, you have this brace that's covering up the fuel line, and you just take an 8mm socket. I used a 1/4" drive in my electric ratchet right here. Pop that off. This bracket comes off, and there's the line right here. You take the clip like so and push it in on 2 sides, and then the line should come loose, folks. Alright, so you push on those 2 tabs and take another hand and you pluck the line off for the fuel line. And then with your electrical connector, I took some needle nose pliers and stuck on this tab right here, and then took my other hand and pulled up on this tab for the electrical connector. And you can sit this aside. If you loosen up those tabs, you can have enough leeway to move your electrical connector out of the way. And then next, all you have to do is take those other 8mm bolts out of there. It's 6 more of those. It's a total of 8. So once you do that, you get the fuel pump out. Alright, once you've taken those 8 screws out, those 8mm screws, bolts, then you can remove the lid right here off of the tank like so. Bada boom, bada bing. Take that off. Set it to the side. Grab your fuel pump. And finesse that bad boy out of its lodging place. I'm trying not to drop a whole lot of fuel. And there you have it. Next step is to take it outside. Try not to drop any fuel in the vehicle, or you'll be smelling it. And there you go, folks. Now what we're going to do, we're going to strip it apart, use the float, replace the motor, and clean up the upper part of the pump, and fix this bad boy up like brand new. And to install the pump after you put the new motor in it, which is located right here, then we're going to replace this filtration bag. Then you just reverse the order, put the pump back in there without breaking anything off. Put the 8mm bolts back in, the cover, the bracket, the fuel line, etc. Back seat. When you get ready to crank the car, don't just go and crank the car and expect for it to crank. I always purge my fuel pumps. And what I mean by purge is I cut the key on, listen to the fuel pump burp the fuel and the air out of the system for about 5 to 8 times. And that way I know that it's got fuel from the motor and the fuel pump up to the fuel rail system, and I should have no problem whatsoever cranking the car up after I'm done. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you along your way with your automotive needs. Thank you. Bye.